Hi, I'm doing a video on a Wickless ceramic Sears kerosene heater. And it runs on, like I said, it runs on kerosene, but it doesn't run on a traditional wick. Here's the tank that you fill with kerosene. It has a gauge in it. And here, there's a firewall here that prevents the heat from the burner to interfere with the tank. So here is the burner, and it's constructed of concentric heat sinks inside. And here is, I guess, where all the magic happens. Let me turn it towards the sun. And the only thing it's got is what they call is a kindler. It runs on a kindler. And let me see if I can lift this thing out. Okay, and this is what they call a kindler. It's made of asbestos, and it slips right in there. What you do is you turn the knob, and there's a very, very small hole, and the kerosene trickles in there and wicks up to this asbestos kindler, and it fires it up. These are supposed to be vastly more superior than the traditional wick kerosene heaters. They light blue flame comes out of them, and you almost never have to replace the kindler, which is the little strip over here, asbestos strip. And I've lit it up, and it works really nice. It's blue flame all the way. It's extremely hot. Temperature has gone in excess, pretty close to 500 degrees. And I've heard it can go higher than that, but I prefer it a little bit lower. But it goes up here, and this is the heat sink here. One of the heat sinks, and heat goes out, just goes out. You can run it with the door open if you want. I prefer to have it closed. Then the knob is at the bottom. I marked out areas that it's preferred. This is off. I have it here and here. Sometimes over here. It just depends. You have to have this level. If it's not level, it'll burn too much on one side and not the other. So this is called the Sears and Roebuck kerosene heater. It's a ceramic kerosene heater, and it's referred to as a wickless kerosene heater. And yeah, so it works really good. Plan to clean it up a little bit more come the spring. Maybe paint the bottom. But that's it. Talk to y'all later. Bye.